Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite. The application has hung and will now close error, just like this one. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So on search you want to write down run, and once you will write that down, you want to write down percentage local app data percentage and click OK. Now this will open up and you want to go ahead and find Fortnite game folder. Open it up, then saved, and you want to go ahead and delete config file, just like so. After that, don't worry, the config folder will appear once you will launch the Fortnite game. And now another thing you can try to do is go to Epic Games Launcher. Find on your library Fortnite, click on three dots, scroll down until you see manage, click on it and click verify files. It will verify the files for you and make sure that everything is okay with your game. So basically, if that didn't fix the problem, the last option would be to just uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it again. So you can do this on your right there on Epic Games Launcher. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.